Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. Today in this video we'll see how to copy the data validation dynamically to the next row when enter is pressed. For example, I have the data validation here, some cities, some fruits and some food items. So whenever I press enter here after this serial number, whenever I press enter, all these data validations should copy to the next row, because whenever you are typing the new data, every time you have to drag and copy the data validations. That is a cumbersome process, and it's very tedious process. So when you press enter on the last row, then the data validation should copy to the next row, right, with the VBA. Let us see how to solve this problem with the VBA. Let's open view code. Okay, so let's go to the project explorer and this workbook. So in this workbook, try to copy this code and paste it. So write this code. This is nothing but activating the keys. So this is the enter key in the small keypad, and this is the enter in the big keypad, like number lock. This is enter for number lock, and this is the main enter button. So what I am doing is, so I am giving a workbook event here open. So whenever this workbook is opened, these keys are automatically activated. Okay, and this enter button is activated, and I am adding the new macro, new subroutine, add new item to this enter button. Okay, so whenever this enter button is pressed, this add new item will be, that macro subroutine will be activated, and that entire data validation will be copied to the next row. Okay, so let us see what is there in this add new item. Add new item has to be pasted in the module. So in the module I have written this code. So here in this add new item sub, what it is doing is, it will first will go to the last cell. Okay, then it will select the last cell, then it will copy the previous row, and it will insert to the next row, and it will clear the contents. So you will get data validation to the next row. Okay, so let us see how it works. Let's go to the our sheet here. So these are the data validations. So I am making dynamically to copy to the next row when the enter button is pressed. So now I am pressing the enter button. Okay, so let's see here. See, these are copied to the next row. Okay, so you can put some city here, fruit and food item, and let's say this is the serial number 2. So now serial number 3, there are no data validations, right? So when I press the enter button here, so again data validations are copied here. Okay, so like that you can copy the data validations dynamically with the enter button using the this code. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.